In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive, delete, or restore your files in Hubspot. Managing your digital files efficiently is crucial for maintaining an organized and clutter-free workspace, and Hubspot offers some straightforward steps to help you do just that. We'll take you through the entire process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating through these features. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your web browser and type in hubspot.com, then hit enter. This will direct you to their homepage. Once you're there, your next move is to log in. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the login button. Give it a click and enter your login credentials. This should take you to the Hubspot dashboard, also known as your Hubspot home. Once you're successfully logged in and on the Hubspot homepage, the next step is to access the settings. In the upper right section of your dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon labelled Settings. Click on this and you'll be taken to the Settings menu. This is a key area that allows you to tailor your Hubspot experience to your needs, including managing your files. Next, from the Settings menu, navigate to Properties. By clicking on Properties, you'll be able to manage various attributes related to your Hubspot account, including how files and data are handled. Now, this is where you'll gain control over what to archive or delete. After accessing Properties, look for the More option, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Archive. By choosing this, you'll initiate the archiving process for the files you wish to be moved out of the main workspace, but still kept within reach should you need them later. Once in the Archive section, you can identify specific files you'd like to archive. Simply find the file and then you'll see an option to Archive Property. Click on this option and it will safely move the file to your archive. Now, if you ever need to retrieve a file from the archive, head over to the Archived section, which you can find under the same More settings. Once you are in the archived view, any file that you wish to bring back can be restored by selecting Restore. But what if you need a file gone for good? This is where deletion comes into play. If you decide a file is no longer needed at all, you have the option to delete it entirely. This can be done by clicking Delete under the same settings menu next to the file you wish to remove. Remember, deleting a file should be done carefully, as it means you'll no longer have access to it unless you have it backed up elsewhere. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your files in Hubspot, ensuring your digital workspace remains organized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.